first video pod for my explanation of the GroupedObj class that I'm using as part of my Sponza demo. So what we've got here is the actual Sponza.obj file that I downloaded from the Crytek site. And you can see it's got some sort of basic text at the top here. And the first thing it says is mtl-lib sponza.mtl, which is the name of the associated material file. I'm not actually going to use or parse this, I'm just having this in my main program and passing the name of the file I want to load. Next in the obj structure we've got a series of vertices that are specified with the keyword v. After that we will have another series of data elements that begin with Vn, and these are the vertex normals, and after that, as you see, it's quite a few of them there. We will have another list of data elements, which will be the texture coordinates, which are Vt there. So we have texture coordinates, normals, and everything else. And then after that we've got our face information and also this useMTL leaf now, and a thing called G for groups. So what I'm going to do is when I'm parsing the file I'm going to look for groups as a trigger to start associating the following faces with a particular group. 00 is the name of this group, the material itself that's being used, and I will store this data and I will have a structure which will have the name of the group, the name of the material, then the start index of the data and how many indices are to be drawn. And in this case we've got a triangle here, but you will also note that this is quite mixed, that we've got a triangle followed by a quad. So my parser is going to have to deal with this case of splitting quads into triangles as well, because with OpenGL, vertex array objects can only have one data type at a time. You'll also notice that coming up in the file again, you'll see there's another list of vertices, and these keep going, another list of texture coordinates, another list of normals, then another use material, and another group element, and so on. And there's quite a few of these as we go through. You'll see that there's lots of different use materials, so we're sharing materials in here as well. So there's quite a lot of information to process, and as you can see this is actually a very large file. So this file is 1,334,595 lines long. So as you can see, it's a lot, and also this does take a long time to parse. So part of the design rationale for the GroupedObj class is going to be the ability to parse it once and save this out in a binary format, which will load a lot quicker.